to Somebody's Fun Adventures. Today we are gonna make Valentine's Day goodie bags. So a perfect gift for your teacher, your mom, your dad, your sister, your grandma. So it's cheap and it's not expensive. Yay! So let's get started.
Yes, and it's really fast to make, right? It's very simple and easy. Okay, so Madeko, so can you tell them what we need for this project?
Somebody's Fun Adventures. So what you will need for this project is a Valentine's stickers box, candy, heart shapes, lollipops, also heart shapes, straws that says crazy for you, and also a heart shape, ribbons, and you need bags, this
Candy.
more candy, and we got toys.
So these are just some of the items that we got from the
99-cent store.
99-cent store, from the dollar store. You guys could get your stuff from Target, any other stores, but if you're on a budget, check out the dollar stores first, right?
Yeah.
Right, Samaje?
Yeah, because it's only 99 cents. So.
Right. You're on a budget like us. Okay, so take one of the ties. It's right in front of you.
Oh, this.
Yes.
So we're gonna grab this. You're only gonna take one, not two or not three. So the SpongeBob gift cards could be for the boys, and the LOL surprise could be for the girls. Alright, so now we're gonna open this SpongeBob Valentine's Day gift cards.
Yeah, so if you guys need help, kids, with this project, go ahead and ask some help from a grown-up.
Yeah.
So you might need help cutting some ribbons, cutting the cards, opening stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and show our friends on YouTube. SpongeBob, right?
Yeah.
Let's show them. Okay, that's really cute. Okay, so you got SpongeBob and Patrick.
Yeah.
Alright, you got the whole gang there. Let me see. Let me show it to them. Okay, so we have the whole SpongeBob character. That's cute. And at the back is the to and from. Okay, so let's open. You want me to help you open up the LOL box?
No, I'm okay. Alright, so here's what the LOLs looks like. I don't know why we have the hearts.
Oh, it came with heart stickers.
Maybe you can decorate it.
Right, you can use that for decoration. Okay, so show them what these LOL dolls look. And guys, this is not sponsored. We're just sharing what we use to put together these inexpensive goodie bags for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, alright, so here's what it looks like.
Oh, those are cute. Definitely, the girls would love this. Let me see. Alright, so let's take a close-up. Look at these. Wow, I'm pretty sure a lot of these girls will love the LOL dolls. Okay, so what are we going to use? The SpongeBob?
Yeah, we're going to do the boys and then the girls.
Well, we can just show the boys. Okay, so rip one. Bye, see y'all at the next fun adventure, because every day is an
Fun adventure.